Hey, let me show you hidden features of JBL Charge 6. So the first one, that will be definitely the lossless audio. So what you have to do is just to connect cable into your JBL Charge 6 when it is turned on. And right now, you will have to grab your phone, click on the play button before you plug it in into your smartphone. Now, release and take a look. The Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth turns off. There we go. The sound comes from this speaker, so you can get wired connection, lossless audio. And the next feature, you can charge your phone by using this speaker. As you can see, when I plug the cable, it starts charging. We got here the 7-band equalizer. When you go into the equalizer and set the custom one, we can find 7 of them. So we can set it up definitely more advanced up to our preferences. And in this speaker, we can also find the Auracast broadcasting. So it's very obvious that you can connect this speaker with some other JBL Charge 6, but also with other model of JBL. So for example, you can connect JBL Charge 6 with JBL Flip 7, JBL Flip 6, and you can create the stereo group. You can change songs. So when you play something through the speaker, you can double tap on the play button to turn next song, and 3 times, 1, 2, 3, to turn previous song. That will be the last feature that will be right here. It's not that very interesting, but you can actually turn off this feedback tone. So the sound when you turn it off, turn it on, or for example, while entering the Bluetooth. Also, it's not that common that you can actually get software updates. So once you are connected to the Wi-Fi mobile data, and this application, you can go here and check for some software update. And thanks to this, you can actually, fix some issues or improve connections and sound of the speaker. And that's all hidden features of this speaker.